With every industrial revolution comes a monumental change in how manufacturing is done.
The manufacturers that didn't come along on that step change were left behind.
The first revolution introduced the steam engine. Henry Ford launched the second, using electric power to create the assembly line. The third brought forth the rise of electronics. And now, fusing the physical with the digital, the fourth industrial revolution is taking over. Industry 4.0.
Industry 4.0 is changing everything. It's changing the way that manufacturing is done.
To help prepare Michigan, manufacturers and business startups for Industry 4.0, we created the I-4.0 Accelerator.
The Industry 4.0 Accelerator was an idea that we had along with Lean Rocket Labs and Centrepolis, because we're all focused on the same problem, which is how do we help Michigan manufacturers, big or small, win on the global stage.
We know that the vision there is twofold. It's bring the best technology and teams here to launch and grow their businesses, and then take that technology and deploy it into Michigan's existing manufacturing community and help those manufacturers be more sustainable, stronger, more cutting edge.
The technologies we're seeing is anything from next generation additive manufacturing machines to factory automation systems, computer data collection analysis, remote manufacturing. But basically, these are a wide variety of technologies that basically bring about a number of different efficiencies that you could expect in a manufacturing operation.
We've received literally hundreds of applications from around the world, and we've interviewed dozens and dozens of teams.
Part of the value that we bring to our clients is being able to bring in the latest and greatest technologies, the best of breed technologies, and that's what we're finding through the LTU Accelerator.
In Altasa, we use two technologies, computer vision and artificial intelligence, to quality inspection in different industries.
At Invisible, we are building an AI-enabled camera that can capture and prevent assembly errors in manufacturing facilities. We decided to productize AI for Industry 4.0.
We are a 3D dispensing technique, so we use a variety of different kinds of mechanisms to pull material out and extrude it onto different surfaces.
As these startups make their way through the I-4.0 Accelerator, they receive benefits to help launch and grow their product. Startups secure an investment of up to $110,000, one-on-one coaching from industry experts and mentors, and access to a deep bench of corporate partners and manufacturers.
Not only do they help you understand what are the technical challenges of manufacturing, but they also try to find a means for you to get your product into the marketplace.
We're in constant communication with manufacturing companies saying, hey, what technologies are you interested in? What do you want to look at? What type of stuff are you wanting to validate and see?
They might have some technologies that are applicable to our engineering or our machining or our manufacturing processes. We'll give them feedback on what we think their technology could do, and if they have technology in the field, we even sometimes try it out for them.
Michigan is the place where you can test your ideas, you can validate them, you can get assistance with prototyping, design, all the way into pre-production and production. We've got all of those resources in our communities all across the state of Michigan, and this is the place you want to be if you want to make this happen.
Michigan today has a workforce that's the largest in the nation in terms of Industry 4.0 technologies, and we think partnerships with the Accelerator and others will continue to help us grow in that space.
The Accelerator boosts Michigan's competitiveness by putting growth stage manutech companies on the fast track to success in our state.
We choose Michigan especially because we have the ecosystem and we have a lot of connections to grow our company here.
We want to stay abreast on technology advances, and so the closer we can be to the I-4.0 Accelerator Fund, the better possibly for us to learn and contribute.
Innovation is really the key to America's success. We're seeing some really innovative things that are coming from very small companies that we probably wouldn't have the chance to have exposure to without this venue.
Consumers Energy is proud to support the Lean Rocket Lab and the Accelerator to fast-track Michigan's success in a fiercely competitive environment.
We have to have the will to change, and that's what Automation Alley and our I-4.0 Accelerator is trying to do, is to help change the culture so that we can actually embrace Industry 4.0 principles.
We're investing in these teams that could truly change the way that manufacturing is done. And to think that these companies are coming here and growing here and creating jobs here, and we're just grateful to be aligned with them in some ways. It's so exciting.